University.
Smack in the middle of tax season now. The deadline to file April 15th. It'll be here before you know it, though. You won't want to wait long.
No, don't be in that line. A few reasons why you need to be working on the taxes right now, even if you will have a tax bill to pay. Our financial expert Andy Manningly here to explain why we need to get on this and soon. So first off, what is the most beneficial financial reason for filing now or filing early?
Well, if you're getting a refund, you want to file early. The IRS has been taking tax returns for about a week. Sooner you get return in, sooner you get your money, and it's about 14 to 21 days if you do direct deposit, but the later you wait, the longer you're going to be at that other end, so you might as well get your money back.
What impact with the tax break will we have with refunds?
Well, if you just have kind of a simple return and you didn't change anything on your withholdings, you might see an extra $1,000 or $2,000 into your return. But if you made those changes, you may not see that. And if you have a more complicated return, you may have owe a little bit more than you think. So you really want to get started working on it.
So are there other benefits to filing early?
Yeah, one of the rising things that's happening now is that there's identity theft, and then they file a fraudulent tax return. So you try to file your return and they say, hey, there's already one there and we've given you a refund. So you want to get it in so no one can file a return in your name.
Probably a silly question, but if you have kind of a complicated return, still file early?
Yeah, you want to get started on it right away because that gives you time to find out what things that you have. And right now, the accountants are going to be a little less busy. So if you need some help, you can probably get it. If you call on April 10th or 11th, you might get laughed at and have to file an extension.
Well, some people might want to delay, but should we go ahead and file when we know we will owe taxes?
Yeah, you should go ahead and file so you know exactly how much you're going to owe, and you don't have to pay until April 15th. So now you have some time to figure out how to make that payment, but you've got your return in, you can keep the fraud from going away, things like that.
Are there any reasons you would say don't file your taxes early?
Well, the only thing is if you don't have all of your information and you think there might be some things out there, then don't file that return until you have everything, because you don't want to have to file an amended return. So it's just extra work.
Yeah, good advice.
Don't play games with the IRS.
Exactly.
We know that.
April 15th. Don't wait till April 10th.
Thanks, Andy.
United Airlines.